Thank you. If you not have any questions, we'll wrap up. And Kannan is expecting something. Okay, I'm just unmuting you. How to duplicate the rows based on headers? We can duplicate it if you want, because we can make use of already existing data.
Hello, Rajendra.
Yeah, tell me, Kannan.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Your voice is breaking. Record session sent through everybody email. Sent through email.
Which one?
Recorder session sent through
Okay.
email.
Yeah, you can discuss. You can check with the Naresh IT team. They can share it. Okay. I hope this session is informative and you are getting some insights from this class. If you have anything, and is this an easy, right, Power BI tool to understand and do all the analytics and all?
Hello, what is difference? Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Kannan, or else you can question. You can answer. I mean, you can chart it in a window, because I'm not able
Yeah.
to hear you properly.
Yeah. What is okay? What is difference between data flow and data sets?
Data flow, that is an online Power Query editor. Data set is a collection of information where we can pull it in the desktop level. Data flows will come into the Power Query online. That is in the
Okay.
services, not in the desktop. Yeah.
Okay.
And how to duplicate the rows based on headers? Duplicate the rows. I'm not getting your question. You want to duplicate the headers, or else how? What you are expecting? Yes, practice is required for DAX, because I just created some of the fields. With the existing data set also, we can able to create the visuals, but practice is required, because without DAX, there is no, we can't able to set it as an Power BI visuals. I mean, most of the visuals we will derive it from the inside, hidden insights. There should be some hidden insights in our data set. So for that, we are going to use DAX functions and all. I think Monday, we are going to start the fresh batch. Yes, I'm going to cover more than 30 DAX functions. As of now, I have shown you with the practice file, without the Excel file. In real time, I'm going to use two different scenarios. One is a manufacturing project and another one is a sales project. For that, I'm going to connect Access DB1 and another one is an SQL server. Yes, I will share the course details. Let me share my screen. Along with that, I have prepared the scenario based. I mean, because I already passed DA 100, so I will give the uh, quiz kind of things as well in between, knowledge check, and as well as I will share the scenarios and the interview questions too, if you are interested. But quiz questions are on every module. I have prepared already some quiz kind of knowledge checks. So I will, I mean, whenever my session is going to start, it's like an interactive way. So once the session has been completed, I will ask these questions to members, candidates. This is the course. If you are able to see here, I'm going to cover introduction on the Power BI base and data transformation level by using the real-time concepts. I'm going to cover the subtopics as well, and modeling level. I can take multiple data sources and I can build models by using the Power Query. I mean, Power Pivot model. That is, we have just shown that date and price paid table. So how we will build between the two tables, like that I will create a multiple tables, a relationship between the model level. And coming to the visualizations, these are the different types of maps, and along with that I'm going to cover AI based maps like key influencer and decomposition tree and advanced visualization. These are the topics I'm going to cover. And